I remember when I first stepped into the world of data science. It was like suddenly seeing the Matrix, you know? Data was everywhere, hidden in plain sight. That's me there, Max. Back then, I was just another cog in the machine, unaware of the stories hidden in the numbers swirling around us.
Morning, Max. Ready to uncover the stories hidden in the data?
If by stories you mean endless spreadsheets and buggy code, then sure, I'm thrilled.
Sarah always understood that data science wasn't just about the numbers. It was about finding the narrative, the human element in all those digits and decimals. But back then I was stuck. Trapped in the technical side, missing the bigger picture. The pressure in this field is immense. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about solving real-world problems. Little did I know, my whole world was about to change.
What the?
In that moment, though I didn't realize it yet, my journey as a true data scientist had begun. The next morning I woke up and everything was different. It was like I could see the code behind reality itself.
Is this how data scientists are supposed to see the world?
It was overwhelming at first. Patterns in traffic flow, in people's movements, even in the way leaves fell from trees. I wasn't sure if I was going crazy or if I'd stumbled upon some kind of superpower.
Max, I could really use your help on this sentiment analysis project for the non-profit. I'm stuck on the feature extraction.
Sure, let me take a look.
How did you spot that correlation so quickly? That's incredible, Max.
Sarah's reaction made me realize the power of what I could do now. But it also made me think about the responsibility that came with it.
You know, with insights like these, we could really make a difference. But we need to be careful about how we use this data. Think about the ethical implications.
And just like that, Sarah became not just my colleague, but my mentor in the ethics of data science. It was a crucial lesson, one that would shape my entire career. But with each problem solved, the questions Sarah had raised echoed louder in my mind. What were the implications of what I was doing? And was I ready for the challenges ahead? Just when I thought I had a handle on things, my boss dropped a bombshell.
Max, I want you to lead the city planning project. This is your chance to show us what you can do. The entire city's future development hinges on this project.
I won't let you down.
Big data projects like this, they're a whole different ballgame. It's not just about finding patterns anymore. It's about shaping the future for thousands, maybe millions of people. I dove in headfirst. Population density, traffic patterns, energy consumption, it was all there. But with each insight came a new ethical question. Was I respecting privacy? Could these models be misused?
How are you processing all this data so quickly, Max? It doesn't add up. Oh, you know, just, found some new techniques, nothing special?
I could feel the pressure building, and then it happened. In my rush to optimize everything, I made a critical error. One misplaced variable, one overlooked correlation.
Oh no.
In that moment, as the city plunged into darkness, I realized the true power and danger of what I was dealing with. Data science isn't just about solving puzzles. It's about real lives, real consequences. I'd messed up, big time. And as I sat there in the dark, I wondered, was this the end of my journey as a data scientist? Or was it just the beginning of understanding what this job really means? You know, it's funny how your lowest moments can sometimes lead to your greatest insights. There I was, surrounded by the chaos I'd created, when Sarah showed up at my door.
Max, I heard what happened. Are you okay?
I messed up, Sarah. Maybe I'm not cut out for this after all.
Remember that non-profit project? Your insights didn't just crunch numbers, they helped real people. That's what data science is about.
In that moment, something clicked. I'd been so caught up in the data that I'd forgotten about the people behind it.
You're right. We need to approach this differently. It's not just about the algorithms, it's about understanding the human element.
With that realization, I dove back into the city planning project. But this time, I wasn't just looking at numbers. I was looking at lives. I learned that being a data scientist isn't about having all the answers. It's about asking the right questions, and knowing when to look beyond the data.
By combining our data models with community insights, we've developed a plan that not only optimizes city resources, but also improves quality of life for all citizens.
As I presented our findings, I could see the impact in their eyes. This wasn't just about numbers anymore. It was about building a better future.
You did it, Max. You found the story in the data.
We did it. And you know what? I think this is just the beginning.
Looking out at the city that night, I realized that being a data scientist is about more than just crunching numbers or writing algorithms. It's about bridging the gap between data and humanity, about finding the stories hidden in the numbers and using them to make a real difference. And let me tell you, there's no other job I'd rather have.